Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable one-click trading on TradingView in 2026. So first of all, come here on TradingView. After that, you need to launch any of the charts in front of you, just like I did. I've opened the chart of BTC USD here. So one-click trading basically means you can place the buy or the sell orders instantly without filling the full order form every single time, which is super helpful for scalping or fast entries. So in order to enable it step by step on the chart analysis page, you just have to first of all right click anywhere. After that, go to the settings. Now in your settings, you are going to see the option of trading. So among the given options, when you click on the option of trading, you are going to see the second option of one click trading. So you need to simply click on it and you need to enable it. After enabling it, you will have to connect your broker with your TradingView account. So simply click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner. Then from the given list of the brokers, you can connect your broker with it. You can also do it when you have enabled paper trading here. So once you have done that, if based on your own analysis, if you want to place the buy order, simply click on the option of buy. And as you can see over here, it has executed the trade on the market order without even asking me. I've just clicked on the buy order and it has placed it. So this is how you can enable the one click trading or one click trading option here on TradingView. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.